babes, and welcome to a new video here on my channel. In this video we are gonna create a makeup look that really sets the tone on what 2020 will be. We will start off 2020 with a bang, with a really bang look. Don't know. We're gonna end 2019 with a boom, and it's gonna be great. This video is also in collaboration with Wet n Wild, and you guys know that Wet n Wild is super affordable. So everything that we're gonna use today is super affordable. It is not, or it should not be super expensive to create a really badass look. So let's just get started. First step is prime, and you guys know that I usually don't prime my face, but if I'm gonna be up super late, which we all probably will be during New Year's, at least I will be, I really want my makeup to stay in place. So we're all set for the night. And then for foundation, this is the Photo Focus Stick Foundation. I have it in the shade Soft Ivory. I absolutely love this product. I think if I could choose any product from Wet n Wild that I swear by, then it is this stick foundation. This is really an amazing product. So I'm just gonna use this all over my face and then blend in with a sponge. Also from Wet n Wild. There we go, and now we go in with the concealer, and this is also a really great product if you guys are very pale and don't really want to go for like the super expensive ones. That is actually really good. Although I would want a bigger concealer wand. If Wet n Wild ever changes these, then go for a bigger wand, because hello, I want concealer on half of my face. And we're gonna highlight a little bit as well. So what is happening in your life? I want to know. I feel like I'm talking to you guys every single day as I'm doing Vlogmas now, but also it feels like you guys here on my main channel maybe aren't there. So I want to know, what are you guys doing? For those of you that aren't watching my Vlogmas, or if you are watching my Vlogmas, then hello, you guys are the best. And for those of you that aren't watching my Vlogmas, then there's a tip for you. And then for some powder all over my face. You guys know for every day I usually don't powder my face all over, but as I said, we're gonna be up super late, so we need it. There we go. And if you guys saw my last video with Wet n Wild, I broke this bronzer, but now I have a new one. Whoop, whoop. And this is one of my favorite. It is the Sunset Striptease, and I love the shade of this. It's really great for contour as well, even though it has like a little bit of sheen, but it's not glitter or anything. Let's go ahead and bronze and contour. There we go. And now for blush, I am so excited. You guys know that one of my favorite blushes are from Wet n Wild, and it's called Berry Boo, something with berry. And this is the apricot in the middle, and I feel like this is my new shade. I love these kinds of like orangey shades. Such a nice and cool color for New Year's. I feel like most people go for a berry or pink shade as it is winter, but like, nah. I don't know if you guys can see, but it has like a little bit of a glow in it as well. That is so beautiful. Let's use a little bit on my nose as well. I am aware that I always use way too much blush, so let's just try and blend it in a little bit. I like it though. Why should I change for anyone? And now for a highlighter, this is the Mega Glow in Precious Petals, right? Yes, it is this beautiful like golden shimmery highlighter that I really love. So let's apply this. Okay, this might not be the best brush to apply this. Oh, wow. If you think you're done, add a little bit more because you are about to shine. There's nothing called too much highlighter on New Year's Eve, and I use it a little bit all over where I usually do I know, this is a lot of glow. But we're just gonna go in with some setting spray, and that will make it look more natural and not as powdery. There we go. Now I'm gonna do my eyebrows off cam, and then I will be right back. I'm so excited about this because it was so long ago since I did a really dark makeup look. Today is the day. We are gonna start off with a black kajal, and we're gonna use it all over my lid and then blend it out. This pencil was a little bit too dry for my taste. I'm gonna go in with this little quad called Lights Out, and we're gonna pack on this black shade. There we go. I mean, there's just something about a really dark eye look that screams yes. Oh no. Okay, I almost broke the product, sorry. If you guys haven't tried a really dark black smoky eye, then I think this is the time to do so because it looks so amazing. Although if you think that this is a little bit too much, then add the black and then just blend out the black with like a brown or something. It will make it look a lot less scary maybe, but I love this. Now I'm thinking maybe we should go in with this, or should we just go in with pure glitter shadow? I think just a glitter, honestly. I've been wanting to try this for so long. This is the glitter single in Karma. So it is like a creamy eyeshadow with glitters in it. Ooh, can you guys see? Let's use a little bit here as well. Should we also go in with the spiked glitter a little bit in the middle, I'm thinking? Ooh, this, you guys. I mean, how pretty is this? Okay, now I'm using like a lot of this, but why not? It is New Year's, so I am obsessed with this. Also, I found some glitter stars. I don't know if you guys can see. I just put one there just to see if I like it. I mean, this is a lot, but I love it. I'm gonna add some really tiny stars also, just because I thought that it was so cute, right? I mean, I think that we all should just go crazy with our makeup this year. I feel like everybody should every single day though, but I want to inspire you guys to really try something. I just want to put it all over my face. Did I use too much now? I don't think that I did. That will do. Or no, I want some more. Okay, I love it. There we go. The eyes are completely done. And I'm gonna go in with a lip liner in Bear to Commitment. No, Bear to Comment. And I'm gonna line my lips. There we go. Now, let's see, what kind of lip shade should we go for? I'm not really sure. Or should we go in with like a really light one? So these two are the Mega Last Liquid Catsuit Matte Lipstick in Nudie Patootie, and then the gloss called Kochi Bar Naked. Bare Naked. It is a very light nude. I'm thinking, should we keep it matte or should we go in with a gloss? Let's try the gloss. At least a little bit. There we go. The hair is also straightened and a little bit backcombed for volume. And this is the New Year's look of 2019 going 2020. This Wet n Wild glitter is honestly so much fun, and I'm so happy to finally have tried it out. I think that for 2020 we should all promise ourselves promise to love yourself. Don't hate on your looks or your body, or just try and be as positive to yourself as possible and love yourself because you deserve it. Don't let anyone treat you bad. Most of all, don't let any fucking boys treat you like shit, because you are way too good for him and he is trash. Okay, 3, follow your dreams. I don't know. Oh my god, I only have 3. I thought that I should at least have 5. Promise yourself to go out of your comfort zone and try things that you haven't tried before. If it is a purple lipstick, or if it's going to a new sport or meeting someone new. And number 5, I'm sure that when I'm editing this, I can come up with something a lot better. So I'm leaving it to you, Evelina, in the future. Okay, so that is it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope that you guys enjoyed this year together. Hopefully you guys have been here the entire year. If not, welcome. Hope you are staying in 2020. I've had such a great year, and I know I've been throwing hints here and there, but 2020 I think will honestly be my best year, because a lot of fun things will happen, and I'm really excited about it. So see you guys in 2020. I don't know if this is my last video for this year, but if it is, happy new year, and see you guys in 2020. Love you guys. Bye.